DMZ, or demilitarized zone, exposes a single device on your network, like a gaming PC or console, directly to the internet, bypassing the router's built-in firewall. This is primarily done to resolve issues with online gaming, such as strict NAT types causing lag, disconnections, or the inability to host or join games. Spectrum routers, including older Aris and Technicolor models, often have this feature, although it's becoming less common with the rise of mesh systems like Eero. DMZ is a quick fix for port-related problems, especially when manual port forwarding or UPnP fail to open the necessary ports for games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, or League of Legends. In cases where you have a double NAT setup, which can occur when using a Spectrum modem behind a Spectrum router, enabling DMZ can also help alleviate these issues for your gaming device by essentially placing it in an open NAT state. To enable DMZ, you'll typically need to access your Spectrum router's settings. First, find your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin credentials. If you haven't changed them, the default is often admin for both username and password. Navigate to the DMZ settings, usually under Advanced, then Firewall or DMZ. Enter the static IP address of the gaming device you want to expose. Save the changes and reboot both your router and gaming device. Then, verify that your ports are open using online tools like portcheckers.com. Keep in mind that DMZ significantly reduces your device's security by disabling firewall protection, making it vulnerable to attacks, malware, and DDoS attacks. Only use DMZ temporarily for troubleshooting and consider safer alternatives like manual port forwarding whenever possible. Ensure your gaming device has antivirus software installed and that your router's firmware is up to date. Some newer Spectrum routers, particularly Eero models, might not even have a DMZ option, pushing users towards port forwarding or other solutions. Always prioritize security. DMZ should be a last resort.